Want to build a bigger back workout today? I'll show you the best exercises to grow your muscles fast. Let's get started. Don't skip exercise 1. Welcome back. Today, we're building a massive back starting with lever front pull down. Pull with your elbows and squeeze your lats. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Moving on to cable-seated one-arm alternate row. Keep your back flat and pull the weight toward your hip. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per arm. Exercise 3. Next up is the cable rear pull down. Keep your arms straight and lift to shoulder height. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 4. Now let's do cable pull down. Maintain a strong posture and pull the bar to your lower stomach. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5. Exercise 5 is the cable low-seated row. Focus on the muscle contraction and maintain slow reps. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. If you're enjoying these tips, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily workouts. Exercise 6. Next is cable close grip front lat pull down. Keep your arms straight to fully isolate your lats. Do 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Exercise 7. Moving to the cable bar lateral pull down. This is essential for lower back strength. Perform each rep slowly and with control. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 8. Now for cable standing external rotation back. This builds incredible back thickness. Drive your elbows back and keep your core tight. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 9. Finally, we have the cable standing rear delt row back. Go for as many reps as possible. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.